In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete subscribers on Beehiiv. This is really useful if you want to keep your email list clean, remove test contacts, or delete people who definitely shouldn't be on your list anymore. I'll walk you through the exact path inside the Beehiiv dashboard so you know exactly where everything is and what each click does. First, open your browser and go to your Beehiiv dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and the correct publication, especially if you manage more than one. Once your dashboard has loaded, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you control everything about your newsletter and your audience. From this menu, look for the section labeled Audience. Go ahead and click on Audience. This is where Beehiiv keeps all of your subscriber information, segmenting and list details. After it opens, you'll see several options related to your audience. Next, click on Subscribers. This takes you to a full list of everyone who's currently subscribed to your publication. Here, you can scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find a specific person. You can usually search by email address or name, which makes it easier if your list is large. Once you've found the subscriber you want to remove, click directly on that contact. This opens the detailed view for that subscriber. On this page, you'll see information about when they joined, their engagement, and any activity history. This is a good moment to double check that you've selected the right subscriber, because deleting them will remove them from your list. Now, look towards the top right area of the subscriber page. You'll see an option to unsubscribe, and right next to it there's a small drop-down button. Click on that drop-down. This menu gives you additional actions you can take on this particular contact. From the drop-down options, select Delete. When you click Delete, Beehiiv may ask you to confirm that you really want to remove the subscriber. Confirm your choice, and the contact will be permanently deleted from your subscriber list. And that's it. By going to your dashboard, opening Audience, then Subscribers, selecting the specific contact, opening the drop-down next to Unsubscribe, and choosing Delete, you can quickly and safely clean up your Beehiiv